Welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, how to make twisted part. This part consists of 3 parts, 2 parts with a hole and twisted section to connect them. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a part with hole and how to make twisted part. First, let's create sketch. I'm going to use XY plane. Next, create a hole using circle tool. You can draw on axis, but better use center. This will make a bit easier. Sketch, draw, and parts attach processes. Use arc tool and hover over center point. Attach to vertical axis and create arc with end point on vertical axis. Next, we take polyline, attach to arc point, draw horizontal line, then vertical and finish with horizontal line attached to arc. Add a tangent constraint between line and arc. Use constraint to set sizes for the diameter 25 mm, same this line, and overall width 40 mm. Press OK to finish and use pad tool with symmetrical to plane. Twisted section, we are going to start with sketch on this face. Find external geometry tool and click on 2 connected edges. Draw rectangle bigger than sketch area, select external and rectangle long edges. Make them equal. Do the same for shorter edges. To center rectangle, select opposite points and then center of axis. As you can see, if you select point in other order, it won't work properly. In View window under Attachment section set. Add small offset. I'll explain why this needed a bit later. Also, there is another way to link rectangle to external geometry. You can start drawing it by hover over corners and connect to them. But if you try to rotate this part, it will keep linked corners on same position. While other are moved, this does not suit our case. In Compare First Variant, rotate it smoothly. Back to twisting. On same face, create another sketch. Find Carbon Copy tool and click on any edge of the first rectangle. Now we have a copy of rectangle, and everything's fully constrained. Close sketch, set offset to 26mm and angle to 45 degrees. For next copy of the sketch, let's duplicate it. Select first sketch. In Edit tab, choose Copy. Make sure that only target sketch is checked. $50mm for offset and 90 degrees angle. For last segment, we are going to use Copy-Paste feature. Go to Edit tab, click Copy. In opened window, check Only Targeted Sketch and press OK. Then Edit tab, click Paste. You can notice that copy is outside of main tree. Move it alongside with other segments. Add 2mm offset, no changes for angle. Now to twisted part, find Additive Loft tool and click it. In Tasks window, click on Add section. In Editor, select segments sequentially. If you are satisfied with the preview, click OK. Now to last segment, there is few ways to make it. We can copy as with twisted elements, but if you open a copy you can see that you can change sizes. But since we need the first and third segments to be the same, we are going to use carbon copy. In Model, select Body and click Create Sketch, select XZ plane. Find Tool Carbon Copy and click on it, select First Sketch. You can see that sketch already rotated by 90 degrees, and since it carbon copy we can't change sizes regardless to First Sketch. Set angle to 180 degrees and offset to 102 mm, first segment 50 mm, plus twisted part 52 mm. Click OK and find Pad tool, don't forget about symmetric to plane, and click OK again. If you zoom to transition between segments, with current offset transition not smooth enough, let's change it to 1 mm between loft subsegments. Now we have nice and smooth transition between parts. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.